Today I'm in Budiriro, a place touched by history and resilience. We're here to pay tribute to an extraordinary individual, a trailblazer in Zimbabwean journalism, Lucy Yasin. Lucy Yasin was not just a journalist, she was a beacon of truth and integrity in a world often clouded by misinformation. Her work transcended mere reporting. It was a passion, a calling. For many of us, Lucy was a mentor, a guide, and an inspiration. In the bustling world of media, where information flows endlessly, Lucy stood as a pillar of dedication. She taught us the importance of diligence, of seeking the truth no matter the cost. Ostallos Siziba, a notable figure in our community, recently spoke about Lucy's impact. He emphasized how Lucy's guidance in communication and media interfacing had been invaluable. His words resonated deeply with many of us who had the privilege of knowing her. Lucy Yasin's legacy is a testament to the power of journalism done right. It's about more than just reporting the news. It's about making a difference, one story at a time. Her commitment to truth and her unwavering integrity set a standard for all of us to strive towards. As we stand here today, remembering Lucy, we're reminded of the values she held dear. Honesty, integrity, and the relentless pursuit of the truth are what defined her career. It's up to us now to carry forward her legacy. In a world where the media landscape is constantly evolving, Lucy Yasin's principles remain timeless. They serve as a guiding light, showing us the way forward. Her spirit lives on in every story told with integrity, in every journalist who refuses to compromise on the truth. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Lala Ngoku Thula, Sister Lucy, your legacy will continue to inspire and guide us. Thank you for joining me in this tribute. Let's honor Lucy by upholding the values she cherished and continuing the important work she started. Stay tuned for more stories that inspire, uplift, and remind us of the incredible individuals who shape our world. Until next time, take care.